In this video, I'm going to teach you how to save Excel sheet as PDF without cutting off. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your Microsoft Excel application. Make sure you have the spreadsheet you want to convert in front of you. Excel's interface offers a plethora of options which can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we're going to focus only on the ones we need to achieve the best output. Once you have your desired spreadsheet open, head over to the File tab located at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu on the side offering several options. What we're looking for is the Print option. Selecting this will give us access to a preview of what our spreadsheet will look like when converted to a PDF. Now that we're in the print setup, the next thing you want to do is check the settings to ensure everything is aligned correctly. You'll find the settings option in the print menu. Here you can adjust various settings such as page orientation and scaling to fit your data onto the page properly. For example, if you need to keep your columns and rows from splitting awkwardly across pages, you might want to select Fit Sheet on one page under the scaling options. This adjustment is crucial for avoiding any cutoffs during the conversion. After adjusting the settings to your preference, you should ensure that the entire workbook is selected if you intend to convert the whole document into a PDF. This option is typically available right in the print settings as Print Entire Workbook. Checking this option will include every sheet within your workbook in the PDF, avoiding the need to repeat the process multiple times for each sheet. Finally, make sure the output format is set to PDF. Usually you'll see an option within the print dialog that allows you to choose print to PDF. Once selected, go ahead and initiate the print command. A prompt will usually appear asking you where you would like to save your new PDF file. Choose your desired destination, name the file, and hit save. And there you have it. Now your entire Excel workbook is saved as a PDF, neatly organized without any content getting cut off. With these tips, you should be able to handle any such task with ease next time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more handy tips and tricks.